So hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning with Santosh. So today's video is all about how to create a database in SQL Server. Step by step, whether you are using SQL Server Management Studio or writing a query. So if you are a beginner or just getting started as a SQL Server DBA or developer, so this video is for you. So first we can see what is database. A database is a container that holds your data in a tables like customer details, product information, sales, and etc. SQL Server uses databases to organize, store, and manage your data efficiently. So, in SQL Server Management Studio, we can create database in two ways. First one is the by using GUI method. In that we have used SQL Server Management Studio, and next one is the T-SQL script. So first we can see how to create a database using the SSMS. So first we have start our SQL Server Management Studio. Oh, yeah, so we have connect the SQL Server instance. So first we see the GUI method. So let's first create a database using a graphical interface in SQL Server Management Studio. So first open SSMS and connect to the SQL Server instance. Then go to the Object Explorer, right click on databases and then next new database. Go to the Windows Explorer, then right click on databases and create new database. So in window we have required the database name. For example, we have taken name like customer. So we have create a name as a customer database. Next, the owner. Then these are the two files. When we have create a database, that's time the two files are created, MDF and LDF. So customer and customer log is our data files. So enter the name of your database, for example customer. Then you can leave other setting as default unless you want to customize file sizes or paths. Click OK, and just like that your database is created. So now we can see our database is created as a customer. So this is the one method we have easily create our database. Next method is using T-SQL script. We can create database. Now let's do the same using T-SQL query, which is the professional way DBAs often prefer. So we have using the T-SQL query. So in that we have run create database name, which we have required to create. For example, student. So I have created one database as a name as student. So run this T-SQL script. Command completed successfully. So our student database is also created. So did you know SQL Server uses the model database as a template whenever you create a new one? So any setting or objects in model like tables or settings get copied into your new databases, and that is, now you know how to create a database in SQL Server using the two methods GUI and T-SQL script. So let me know in the comments if you want a video on creating tables or inserting data in the table. If this video helped, you hit like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for the more SQL Server and database tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.